Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the chargers labeled voltage and amperage so you know the target. Next, plug the cable into the charger and device. Use the original cable when possible because resistance matters. Connect a USB power meter or set up a multimeter inline to measure current and voltage. Start with the device at low battery so charging peaks. Once connected, watch the meter for steady voltage and current. This gives your first concrete reading of actual charger performance and losses. You now take careful measurements, read voltage and current for at least a minute to catch fluctuations. Calculate watts by multiplying volts by amps to see real output. This tells you if the charger delivers near its rating. Repeat the test with the device idle, then again while the device is active to observe differences under load. Make sure to log values and timestamps. If using adaptive fast charge, look for initial high current that tapers. This is normal charging behavior. You finish by interpreting readings. If measured power is close to the rated value, the charger is performing well. Large gaps mean loss in cable, adapter, or device negotiation. To troubleshoot, swap cables and ports to isolate the weak link and test another charger to confirm. If low output persists, examine the device's charging protocol settings or battery health, since thermal limits or firmware can throttle speed. One quick tip: if readings are erratic, clean ports and retry before replacing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.